Advanced Ramadan Kareem sa inyong lahat. And today is the 20th day of our 30-day challenge. Malapit na. 10 days more to go for this spontaneous speech. I know hindi masyadong spontaneous yung pagkakasabi ko dito dahil marami akong and putol-putol. But nevertheless, I really tried my best na to be spontaneous. But apart from it, you know that this challenge is also for me to to allow myself na ma-practice yung mind ko to remember things and to be spontaneous of what I have to say next. Kasi as you know, as I informed you earlier, na may tendencies ako na nakakalimutan ko and hindi spontaneous yung pagsasalita ko. Now, dahil Ramadan, mga ka-wonders, mga kaigalaan, and everyone else out there, we would like to remind you, or I would like to remind you, that to choose your battles. Make this season of Ramadan be a reflection, a moment to reflect, or a month to reflect sa mga struggles na pinagdadaanan natin. Now, I know mahirap, especially pag financial, and much more probably pag health problems ang pinagdadaanan natin ngayon. And for those na wala namang problema sa pera at saka sa health, thank God all the time. And sa lahat naman na may pinagdadaanan na pera at saka sa health at saka sa trabaho, still be thankful. Our life is a gift at saka hiram lang din natin to. The moments are just gifts na we have to live it properly para makapagbigay tayo ng inspiration sa iba and to help others be good to one another, to others as well. So, choose your battles as well para hindi ka masyadong ma-stress. Kasi hindi naman ibig sabihin na marami kang problema, isosolve mo yan one time. Choose the urgent ones and the rest, the solutions of the other problems will come along the way. So this is our 20th day challenge. This is our 20th of the 30-day challenge. So choose your battles and Ramadan Kareem. Stay cool, stay safe, stay blessed, and peace. Ampun mo.